Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Radio Disney opening that I got from eBay. And this item is rare, so I think it must have belonged to somebody that worked at the station. And this is in size medium, so I think it's an adult size, and I'm an adult, so I don't know if it's going to fit me right away, because right now I'm still losing some weight, which is awesome, so woohoo. And then I have some other stuff that is coming in the mail from eBay that is going to be Radio Disney related, so look for that. But before we get started, you guys know what to do with the subscribe and all that fun stuff, so let's just jump right in. I might have to cut this. And then the other side has my address, so I'm not going to show you that part, obviously. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got that going. Alright, perfect. So I'm going to have to cut this somehow without tearing it somehow. Okay, there we go. Maybe this little snip will do the job. Let's see. So it's in this little blue plastic thing. And I ordered this a couple days ago. And it came today on Friday, September 6th. So woohoo! I'm excited. What? It's a package within a package. Oh my goodness. That is funny. That is hilarious. Okay. So. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get you open. I cannot wait to try this on. So. Alright. Before we try it on, I'm gonna take a, oh, there's the Radio Disney logo. Get a sip of my milk. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it has buttons, and then there's a zipper. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Oh, and there's more buttons down here. I didn't know that. Amazing. Alright, so we're down. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it fits. Okay. Oh my goodness. Shut up. Okay, let me end this little part here, and then I'll stand up and show you. Okay, everybody, this is the jacket. This is so cool, and it fits. So sorry if my head is like cut off just a little bit. So here's a close-up, and then here's the back. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, that's my little happy now. So I really love this. Oh my goodness. And there's another jacket somewhere else where I could probably get another one, but it's in a bigger size, so I may get that, depending. So. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here. Alright. I'm just like, oh, there's my clothes. You don't need to see my dirty clothes over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really love this. This was worth $199, almost 200 bucks. Free shipping for this. Woohoo! So, I'm gonna try to get that other jacket where I saw if it's still available. If not, then, you know, it could make its way to eBay in the future. So, I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more fun openings and more Disney pinning content will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time. Bye now.